are here in an event where we want to call for peace for both provinces in Gauteng and in KZN. As you might know, we're now going for festive season, and in most cases, grudges that might have started in Gauteng end up being settled in KZN. And some of the grudges that will be started in December or during the festive season in KZN might end up being settled in Gauteng. We have engaged with all. We first engaged with the king of the Zulus, who then gave us some of the kings to work with, as well as Izinduna and Amabuto, that we need to bring peace amongst the warring factions.
Yes, there were problems at the hostels, especially at your Kwezini hostel. Mazibuko is one of the hostels that we encountered a problem. In particular, in Mazibuko, there was a faction between the two tribes that could not see eye to eye with one another, and that is when the most of the killings happened. But since we started with these peace talks and to have the launch of the peace talk, we have seen a decline of murders. Let me say, for the past 6 months, we haven't recorded any murders that were coming from the factions within the hostels.
We now have a commitment from all warring factions that they will make sure that there is peace and we don't lose any life during the festive season. Yesterday, we had a cleansing ceremony. 8 goats and 10 cows were slaughtered as a symbol or to be used for the cleansing ceremony. So today is just a formality to now announce exactly what were the resolutions that were taken, and we also want to get the leadership of warring factions to publicly denounce violence against each other. We hope that by actually preparing earlier, we will be able to win the fight against violence. We don't want to see anyone hurt during festive season.
We want to also pave the way that in the near future, the king will also come here to seal the peace that has been started now.